Hi folks, how you doing? Today I want to share a quick lighting reference trick with you. So when you're doing your drawing, you just get your lighting a bit better. So it's this. It's polystyrene ball. Costs you about $1 or £1 or whatever, wherever you are. You can just order them on Amazon or eBay or nip down to your local craft store and buy them. It doesn't cost much, fairly easy to get hold of. That's it. Basically, I put them on, this is a modeling tool that I've got, but you can ram a pencil into one or a scalpel, whatever. I've had about 3 or 4 of these over the years. Yeah. I do normally keep mine on a scalpel just so my scalpel tip is, in somewhere secure where I won't stab someone. But yeah, modeling tools, I normally have a few around. It's quite handy. But, right, what do you do with this? Well, one thing is you can use your phone light and you can move it around, and it's great for kind of working out where your lighting's coming from. Now you can also get like polystyrene heads as well, but a ball is normally sufficient. You can also make objects out of plasticine or blue tack as well, I've had to do, but sometimes a ball is just enough. I've also done little wireframe models as well. Normally you don't have to do these if you're just doing sketches, but if you're doing an actual paid commission piece, this works brilliantly. Now, the reason you might want to do this is if you're working on something quite complex and you actually have 2 light sources, like 2 differently colored light sources, like you have a red light source coming from this side and a blue light source coming from this side, but you have different intensities of light as well. That can get quite confusing, and you have to work out like the intensity of this light source. Is it further away? And this light source is kind of very intense or not as intense. Is it further around or not as? Are you only getting a slight glint? Just having that polystyrene ball, even if it's not, got as many details as, say, something like the face. Even a polystyrene ball can be enough to help your mind just quickly work out, enough of the trickery. The head, would it be lit from that angle? Or oh yeah, now I can work it out. Okay. And you can get back to your drawing. I also keep a mirror on hand as well, so I can light my own face in the mirror, let's say. But polystyrene ball, for the cost of 50p or £1, 50 cents or $1, a polystyrene ball is a definite trick worth having. And just pop a pencil through it or pop a scalpel through it or whatever you've got to hand. Brilliant trick just to have. And also makes your studio look a bit more arty. Definitely. So there you go. Little trick worth knowing, worth having, keeping at hand, and bump. Also looks very cool. There you go. I thought it was a definite thing worth recording, worth letting you know about. and it might help you out in a jam as well. There you go. Certainly helps me out once or twice. You know, if you're drawing planets, that's absolutely brilliant. But if you just try to figure out the lighting on a face, or, you know, especially complex multiple lighting, that definitely helps. Especially if you can wedge the pencil or, you know, scalpel or whatever it is into something, and then get 2 light sources, one in each hand, and do the multiple lights. There you go. It's good if you can turn off your light above you and around you as well. Obviously, if I did that right now, you wouldn't be able to see me. Right, let me know what you think in the comments below. Am I stir crazy? Is this a good idea? Have you even done this yourself? Do you keep a mirror or something similar in your studio or place where you're drawing? What do you use for a lighting reference? Do you just use pictures off the internet? You know, we all use pictures off the internet. Hee hee. I don't know. How do you get your inspiration for lighting? Is it just by doing this? Love to know what you do, how you think. You know, everybody works in different ways. So, until next time, I hope you have a ball. Remember to subscribe.